Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple and quick fix for something we've all dealt with at some point: a wobbly chair. In just 5 minutes, you'll have that chair steady as a rock. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is check the screws and bolts under the chair. Over time, these can loosen up, causing the wobble. Grab a screwdriver or an Allen wrench, depending on the type of screws your chair has. Make sure to tighten all the screws evenly. Sometimes, it's just a matter of giving them a little twist to get rid of the wobble. If tightening the screws doesn't fully solve the problem, the joints where the legs meet the seat might be loose. A little wood glue can work wonders here. Apply a small amount of wood glue to the loose joints, then press them together firmly. You might need to use a clamp to hold it in place while the glue dries. Give it about 24 hours to fully set, and your chair will be as good as new. As a bonus tip, you can add felt pads to the bottom of the chair legs. Not only do they prevent scratches on your floor, but they also add a bit of extra stability, especially on uneven surfaces. Just peel and stick these pads onto the bottom of each leg. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. And there you have it. A quick and easy fix for a wobbly chair. If this tip helped you out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, or if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new home improvement tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.